Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 442 different strategies with 137 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 341 of the other strategies that we have put it up against. Every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,059 indicators with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, trading for beginners. No experience needed, works for anyone. And so of course we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is the trend levels indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we will jump into the settings, and under the length right here you're going to change that to 21. Then jump into the styles and turn off the candles, the three plot selections right here, and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the EMA/SMA cloud. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And under the slow EMA, we're going to change that to 300. The fast EMA, we're going to change that to 100. And the medium EMA, we're going to change that to 200, and then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when the moving averages, the three moving average, the moving average cloud or EMA cloud is all green like they are here. And we want price to be trading at least above the slowest moving average, which is the longest one. And so price can kind of be down here within the moving averages, but it needs to be at least above the very bottom one in the case of a long trade. And in this case, it's above all three, and so that works out just fine. And once we have it trading above all three, or trading above at least that one, and all of them green, we're then looking for a green buy tag or label like this right here. And once we pick that up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We're going to set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right down here below this kind of pivot area here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so these indicators are really heavy on the back end of TradingView. And so they're kind of wreaking havoc on the bar replay function. But you can see here that we make this nice push to the upside right here, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for all of those moving averages, just like before, to be red this time. And we're looking for price to be trading below the highest moving average, or below all of them like it is here. And once we get that lined up, we're then looking for a purple tag like this here, a purple sell tag. And you can see that we pick up the sell tag right here, which would be our signal to then enter into a short. So we'd put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above these pivots right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and try this bar replay one more time, but hopefully it won't go too wild on us. Alright, so once again we get this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy for beginners or otherwise. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $12,600. So definitely better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $23,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just yesterday we closed out winning trade number 69. I will put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That's 69 winning trades in a row using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. As a 100% win rate the entire time we've been trading a live trading account over 4 months now. And in backtesting, it was so powerful, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.